Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Physics lecturer, Higher Secondary School, Ashpura, class 12th physics. Today's topic is classification of materials with respect to the electric charge. Has been taken from the unit electrostatics. We have this pen, and it has a cap over it. If we rub it with a piece of cloth, we see that after rubbing it catches the dust particles from the surroundings. So we have a copper piece or a silver. We rub it similarly, and we see that it does not do like plastic, that it not catches the dust particles or light bits. What is the fun? The plastic catches and the copper or silver does not catch the dust particles. The fun is that we have hold this copper piece on our hand, and the charges produced on this passes to the earth through our body. Passes to earth through our body. And in case of plastic, the charge accumulates on this part of the pen and holds the dust particles, and this plastic material does not allow the charges to pass through. So the charged particles accumulates on this very part, and it has a property to catch light bits. What now? This classifies the materials into the materials which accumulate the charges and the materials which allow the charges to pass. The materials which allow the charges to pass are known as conductors. And the materials which do not allow the charges to pass are known as insulators. For example, copper is a good conductor. Silver is very good conductor. And for insulators, plastic and porcelain are the insulators, good insulators. For this conductors, we have an example. We have to push the charges from a electric grid house to my home. For such a project, we need a long wire from this powerhouse to my home, and this wire will reach to my home by using the electric poles for supporting the wire. If the electric wire is conducted to the first pole, when we are getting this electric charge pushing from this powerhouse to my home, the first pole, if we connect the wire to the first pole, the electric charge will get past the earth. And what we have to do, what we have to do to get the charges, to get the electricity to reach my house, we have to put the put an insulator between the pole and the connector, between the pole and the wire. So as important the conductors are, so are the insulators important. Another example is, we cannot hold the uh, charged wire directly by our hand, so we need an insulator to hold it so that it will not damage our nervous system. Let me note the definitions of these two classifications uh, in the second part.